Hello, seniors on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about guaranteed issue life insurance. And the name is technical, but I will explain what that means. So if you had health issues or looking for coverage, this might be an option that you can consider. And let's go over the pros and cons to help you decide if guaranteed issue is the right fit for you. So guaranteed issue life insurance doesn't require any health questions or medical exams, which makes it ideal for those have health concerns. So it's accessible for almost everybody, and the premium are generally higher, and there is often a 2-year waiting period. That is how the insurance company manage their risk. If they don't know anything about you, they just assume you are super unhealthy, and if they can, so they will base on that to build that price. Let's start with the pros. Again, we talk about that is no health questions. So you can qualify regardless of your health issues. If you are very private, you don't want anyone to know your health situation, this can be the option for you. Or if you are going through medical, like health issues. When I say health issues, it's not saying, oh, I got flu, I got diabetes. These are not strong enough to deny you with other kind of plans. So usually what happens is you're going through, let's say, cancer treatment, and you just had a heart attack recently, or you're in the hospital right now, or you just had a stroke. So these are very major health issues, and if that's the case, then a guaranteed issue is the way to go. And so that's pros, like number one. So pro number two is quick approval, because there's really no question to ask and nothing to underwriting. So the approval is super fast, often take a matter of days, sometimes a day in the same day. And number three is it does give a peace of mind, even that you have health challenges, you can secure the coverage. So I do have a client in the past. He was diagnosed with prostate cancer, and as many of you know, that is very common with senior men, but it's the survival rate is high too. So this gentleman, like, he was diagnosed, he haven't started the chemo treatment yet, but he was really worried. The good thing is that he's quite young, he's in his 60s, so it's not very expensive for him. So he put the coverage in place just to know that he probably won't pass away in the first 2 years, even that the waiting period is 2 years, and but he just wants to secure that coverage for his family. So now the negative, the cons. And of course, first one is higher premiums. Again, because the insurance company knows nothing about you, so they just assume that you are super unhealthy. So then they will translate that into a higher premium. And so number two, I kind of mentioned that too, is the waiting period. And almost all guaranteed issue policies will have a 2-year waiting period before the full benefits are available. How they make it work is within the first 2 years. If you were passed away due to accident, the whole coverage will still pay out. And if within the first 2 years of waiting period, you will pass away because of a natural cause from the illness, and so this benefit will not pay out, but instead your family will still get all the money you paid into the policy plus the interest that will go back to your family as the benefit, tax-free. So you're not going to lose any money, to be honest, but it's not ideal because we want to have penny for dollars. It is a way for insurance company to try to keep the price low and also manage their risk. And number three is lower coverage amount. So with guaranteed issues usually it was capped at maybe 25,000 or something less than that. So you cannot use this as a bigger policy, and it's not as it cannot cover extensive needs. So if you need a coverage and can't afford a premium, guaranteed issue can be a good way, but there's always better ones out there. If you are not very sick and you are healthy, you probably had health problems in the past, but you're super healthy now, and check your policy. If that's a guaranteed policy, that might not be the best for you, because you might be able to qualify for something much better with cheaper premium and have the no waiting period. The coverage will kick in right away. And so go check all your policies and make sure it's not like, usually what I see is like, if someone doesn't have an insurance advisor as a broker, so they would just see some ads online from certain companies that they would just call them, so can I have this policy, because the ads will say everyone is approved. So a lot of times with those big companies, because they don't know anything about you, they will put you automatically to a guaranteed issue, which if you're healthy, you are leaving money on the table because you can qualify for something much less for terms of insurance premium with the same coverage and better terms. So check your policy and make sure it's not that. If you're healthy and if you're not sure, just contact us. And I am an insurance broker. I do have access to many different companies, and I can shop around for you and let you know if your policy is a good one or we can find better ones. And the appointment link is in the description down here, and when you click in the description, you will see the link and just book a time that we can have a conversation. And thank you for tuning in, and if you like the content, give us a like and subscribe. That will help us to reach out more seniors who need this information. So see you in the next time. Bye for now.